Daniel, most of you already know Gatherer, your personal assistant in arranging appointments. But Daniel didn't hear about it yet. So you might know the problem that finding a date with your friends for a meeting would really be hard. My friends and I had the same problem. We wanted to go to Oktoberfest in Munich, so we had to find a date that fitted for everyone. Therefore, we made a Facebook chat. And we made a WhatsApp group. And we also wrote individual SMS. At the end, we had such an information chaos that we also had to call each other. That was really annoying. In a survey we did last month, we found out that 9 of 6 people also have this problem. Now, imagine a world where you only have to create one Gatherer event. It's easy to use and accessible for everyone. Gatherer is your personal assistant who helps you at arranging appointments with your friends and colleagues. It simplifies the whole planning process. So how does this work? For your next birthday party, business meeting, or even city trip, you can create a Gatherer event. Then you suggest some possible dates in our gorgeous calendar. The calendar integration helps you in finding free and busy days. Then you invite people to vote for these dates. You can invite everyone directly from your address book, no matter if he or she also has the Gatherer app or not. App users will get a push notification and vote directly in the app. All others will get an email or SMS with a link to the web interface, depending on the information in the address book. When you click on the invite button, all this happens fully automatically. To make the voting more easy, the calendar integration also helps you to find your dates. When everyone has casted his vote, the event creator can fix one date and everyone gets informed again automatically. Then the meeting could take place, like our Oktoberfest. So we have automated invites, also the integrated calendar, and there's also a chat so that you can get in contact with the people of the event. There are reminders for people who haven't voted yet, and also templates if you make a meeting with the same people more than once. We are developing for iOS, Android and Windows Phone. The apps are available for free in the different app stores and can be upgraded to premium. But our main revenue comes from the white labeling solution. We make an SDK for all these platforms so that others can integrate Gatherer into their apps. Arranging appointments has never been that easy. Come and join the easy way.